Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Ness. If you are new to the channel, this channel provides a lot of products review, specifically footwear design. And I also include few different looks to give you guys an ideas how to style them. In this video, I'm gonna do a quick review on this first time ever Oakley Light sneaker. The name of this shoes is Light Shield. I was planning to do review on the brand that sneaker from Oakley Light, but unfortunately they sold out so quick, so that's why it's make me so mad that I got these shoes to do a review instead. This one is more like a functional compared to the brand desk model, because to me like the brand desk model is more like a fashion forward type of shoe. Surprisingly, the shoes is very comfortable. Aesthetic wise, man, I think it's also look very good. I never thought Oakley can make a good shoe. I only know Oakley brand through sunglasses. That's all I know, right? The fitting on these shoes though, I would say it's not too size. If you want a snug fit, you should go have a size down, because I have like extra space around my toe. Me personally, I like the shoes that give me a snug fit, but if you're okay with the roomy fitting around the toe area, you can get the shoes size into two size. And also the shoe shape on this sneaker is not that great. I mean, I'm not a fan of like a chunky type of shoe shape. This one is a little bit bulky in my opinion from the top down view, but the side view it look okay to me. This model Light Shield, they released multiple colorways, the triple black, the white. This one is the best colorways in my opinion, and also this is the color for the summer too. And I love the pop of the yellow laces and the detail on this shoe. The pricing of the shoes is $165. To me, it's a little bit expensive. The main material that they use on this upper is ripstop material with the mesh texture. They are waterproof. I think this model is meant to wear during the winter time. It's not really for the summertime. If you wear the shoes for during the summertime, it's gonna sweat you the F out. Underlays, they have that neon print booty constructions to give you a better comfort and soft light type of fitting. In the toe and the back of the heel counter, they have that hot melt reinforcement layers. At the heel counter, they have the TPU heel support external with the internal molded heel counter, so it's gonna stabilize your ankle. And go to the vamp area, they have that hot melt Oakley logo. The lacing system is the combination with the nylons and metal lace loop. In the middle of this U-throw, you can see they have that elastic band for a better fitting, and also this elastic band keep the lace in place. And the booty construction front and back, they have that webbing pole for easy on and up. On top of that webbing pole, they have 3M reflective detail. In the lateral sides around the heel counter, they have the Oakley logo in 3M reflective detail. And in the medial size, also around the heel counter, they have the Oakley branding. In the lateral sides around the corner of the shoe, you can see they have another layers underneath. And go to the outsole tooling, the midsole on this shoe, they use dew density foam. To me, like dew density foam is very common in footwear industry that they use for the midsole on the shoe. It gives the shoes more cushioning and also lighter weight. This midsole, they are pretty thick too, you know. The shoes is not that heavy in my opinion. And in the outsole, they use that rubber Vibram outsole tooling. This outsole is very rugged. I assume it's for hiking or trail running type of shoe. This shoes is may not that look fashionable like the brand desk model, but to me this is very a functional type of products. If you are interested to try out Oakley sneaker, this is the shoes that you may try them on. You know, the brand desk model is more like a fashion forward type of shoe. And styling with these shoes, I think is very easy. If you are into tech wear, you can go with this type of sneaker from Oakley too. I already have a couple looks in my head. I want to try them on, and also I really like the color blocking on the shoes, especially the yellow color pop on this. And up next, I'm gonna share with you guys how I would like to style them. So there you go. What you think about this Oakley Light shoe model? If you're unable to get branded model, get this one instead. It may not that look fashionable like the branded model, but it does its job, you know, which is very comfortable type of shoes. If you like one of the look in this video, give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more video. I have a lot of video coming up every single week, and I can wait to share with you guys. I'm out.